Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I'm going to have a unboxing video of the DOOGEE N10 smartphone. I actually got this sent out to me from banggood.com, and they sent this out for me to review, so I'll be more than happy to review this today and dive into this phone, and hopefully it becomes a very interesting video. So as you can see, I'm just going to go straight into this unboxing. You can just see this box is very nice instead. As you can see guys, the front of the box has this sort of peace sign, and as you rotate the box side to side, it sort of changes, it sort of glares at you, which is pretty cool. Anyway, at the side of the box there's nothing, just says Doogee there, and same thing there, and just there as well. And at the back of the box is where you get some of the main specifications of the smartphone. So you can see it comes with a 16 megapixel and 30 megapixel dual camera. You've got a 19:9 ratio U-notch screen, which is full HD display. You've got a rear fingerprint scanner. You've got 3 GB of internal RAM, and you've got 32 gigabytes of ROM or internal storage. You've got a gradient back cover, which I assume means that you have a sort of changing color. And you've got a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. And this came out in 2019, so it's pretty new. And I got this color in Obasian black, and this is all the sort of Hdmi information and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, I'm just going to open the box and show you what's inside the box. Nothing much on the inside here. It comes in this sort of standard plastic covering here, and you can see at the back it has this sort of nice finish. It says dual camera, headphone jack, SIM, volume plus, volume minus. It has sort of it looks like an iPhone X, if you want to say. And I think I purchased this, on the website it retails for about 150, anywhere between the region of 100 to 150. I'll put the exact price and link down below in the description box, so if you want to purchase it, guys, please follow the link down below. But yeah, so you can see again the key specs here at the back, IMEI information, and the rear fingerprint scanner here as well, and as well as the dual facing cameras as well. Inside of the box, well, let's see. We get a case, which is pretty cool, because normally you have to buy a case separately if you're buying a handset. But what I like about this company is that they actually supply you with a case, and the case looks pretty cool. And it has these little air, if you look very carefully, I don't know if you'll see it on the camera, but it has little sort of air pockets inside, like little air dots. So when you're putting your phone inside, it won't produce any smudges or anything, whatever. Anyway, if you know what I mean. But here we have the Doogee USB adapter, and we have the USB plug-in port there. It's not a UK one, so I have to get an adapter for this, which is unfortunate, but I guess they didn't know that I was from the UK, although they sent it from the UK, whatever. Anyway, we have the micro HDMI port right here, so it's a standard micro, so I can just use any micro HDMI, so that's not really a big issue. And the manual just here, so it says thank you for choosing N10, and the warranty card here, which is pretty cool, so I'll put that to the side as well. And then what we have, I just take out this, and I look like it feels like an iPhone X. Like I have an iPhone X myself. I'm an iPhone X user, but this pretty much feels premium and feels like an iPhone X. But this is the micro SD card, so nano SIM and your micro SD card there, which is pretty cool. So I'll put that back in here. I'm actually just gonna get this turned on, and if it turns on, oh, it does turn on with a very big vibration. I'm gonna peel this back off. Which is not, there's no point for me to pull this off. I pull this front screen off, and this is always satisfying. Oof, beautiful. Okay, so this is sort of peeled off, so I'll just put this to the side. Put it to the side here, and I'll put that there, and this is the phone Doogee. Oh, so this phone looks pretty cool. It has the little notch sort of thing there that a lot of people don't like, but I'm a very big fan of it, believe it or not. I'm just going to skip the Wi-Fi connection because I'm not really good at connecting to the Wi-Fi at the moment, but the first impression, guys, is the phone looks pretty cool. I'm going to lock with the fingerprint, and let's find out pattern. Let's see if the fingerprint actually works. So I'll just actually do a little quick pattern like that, and then click next, and then another little pattern. Oh, not like that, that's not one pattern. Like that, and confirm. And then I'll touch my fingerprint at the back, and then I'll lift. And you can see how I'm doing it. I'm sort of doing it in this motion, like that. So it's pretty much a legit fingerprint scanner. So it's not a fake sort of thing. It's actually legit. And this company, seems like they know what they're doing with the price, especially. They know what they're doing. No thanks, just a sec, so it's still getting everything updated. Okay, wireless update, you need to indicate that, oh, okay, first impression guys, the phone looks absolutely amazing. I mean, look at the color on that phone. You know, I don't know if you can see it properly, but the colors on this phone looks absolutely, like, I'll just put it on full brightness. You can see that, like, it has a full HD IPS display. Some phones for even the price of 100 to 150 pounds don't have that full HD display. You know, major competitors include Samsung, Sony. They don't have this full HD display, as you can see here, and also it's an IPS display. So this display, look, you can see it from the side, it's pretty awesome. That's why it's all called IPS display. But you can see, you know, it's very smooth. If you check all my other unboxings on this phone, guys, on other phones on this channel, you will see that a lot of phones, when I started up for the first time, there's a lot of lag. You know, it doesn't really, you know, stimulate to my hand properly. But this one, there's no lag at all. You look, it responds very, very well to my fingers. And that's what I like about these phones. Like, these phones, you know, you might think, oh, this brand is not well known. But yeah, you're better off with a brand that is not well known, with much better specs, than a brand that is well known, and you're paying a greater price. This is like an iPhone X, but in an Android sort of way. The camera, hopefully the camera as well. I'm not, you know, I often have problems with cameras. The rear-facing camera isn't that bad, you know. It isn't excellent, but it isn't that bad, you know. But expecting for this price, you know, you can't really go wrong. The front-facing camera, again, it's my face, isn't that bad. Actually, it's a bit weird because it looks a bit dark than normal, so that's not really, but you can brighten it apparently. The camera is not really great, I'm not going to lie about that, but the screen itself and the 3 GB of RAM inside the phone truly does show its performance, which is pretty cool. But anyway, guys, this is the unboxing video of the initial startup of the Doogee N10. If you want a review or a gameplay video on this phone, please feel free to leave your comments down below. And if you want me to make another video on this phone, a scratch test, a water test, leave your comments down below in the description box, and I will definitely make this for you. But overall, guys, if I was going to rate this phone out of 10, of course I haven't gone into depth in terms of the speed test, in terms of the internet experience, in terms of the game experience, but from this initial impression, I would probably rate this phone about a 7 to 8 out of 10. And I'll highly recommend getting this phone if you want to get this phone for your first time, or if you don't have enough money to buy an iPhone X or an iPhone, then truly do invest in this phone. And the shipping is free, I think, and it comes with super fast shipping, so I'll leave the links down below to where you can get this information. Anyway, guys, have a nice day, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye, and subscribe.